So we have a massive mentorship program called i3T3. We are currently in the 10th edition of the program, which is starting next week, which comprises of 100 hours of learning. And we call this new program as i3T3 Pro because of various innovations which we have brought into the program. So what is this program and what is that it is going to offer? Friends, this program combines with multiple concepts and ideas spread over a period of 6 weeks with an in-depth mentorship. Plus, this program gives you a brokerage credit of 35,000. Plus, it gives access to 4 mega conferences, which happens every quarter. You get exposed to some of the 75 best mentors across India, and you learn various strategies from them. And we have something called as a Super Studio or a Trading View Master Pro Indicator series, which you will get as a complement along with this program. Not only that, the biggest value is we have something called as Kautilya Strategies Fund. We manage close to about 4 crores fund right now, spread across various strategies, across manual trading, intraday trading, and algo trading as well. And the participants will have an opportunity to trade some of our expiry and option strategies live in a fully automated way, which is exclusive for our participants. Now, the cost of this program is 35,000 all inclusive. It is starting next weekend. So what is that you're going to learn? Let me explain in a bit. We have students from almost 22 countries. We have trained more than 500 students so far. And the success rate of this program is phenomenal because of the various value prop it offers. And it's one of the few programs in the country where you will get 100% money back guarantee. You don't like the program, you can always walk out of the program with full refund, no questions asked. The process is very simple. Your investment is assured. Join the training program. At the end of first and second module, you can always say, Ashok, I didn't like your program. I want my money. My webinar manager will process your refund. That's it. No questions, no logic. And we have done this. It's not new for us. It's not new for the edition i3T3 Pro. It is open for all. That's the power of our content, delivery, service, integrity, transparency, and honesty. With this update, we have 6 various wider topics: techno fundamental investing, WD GAN techniques, precision price action, option strategies, automated strategies, expiry day strategies, and also volume profile. We believe in 3 things, friend: price, volume, and time. For price, we teach price action. For volume, we teach volume action, and time, which is we teach WD GAN. Here is a schedule. We're starting next week. It will go on for almost 6 weeks, spread over about 50 sessions, plus 2 years of support. Okay, and you will have lifetime access to all the course videos in our server. These are all the offerings. The cost is 35,000 only, but it has benefits worth about 1.5 lakhs. Okay. The program is comprises of multiple topics. If you take individually, they cost more, but if you join as an i3T3 alumni member, the offer is phenomenal. Okay, we have this offer for the first 50 students. We have almost 42 students already. We have about 10 seats left. Okay, by enrolling into this program, you will have an effective discount of 75%. You get full course access. You get 100% brokerage credit, which means your money that you pay for this tuition fee, the whole money will come back to you in the form of brokerage credit, which means when you trade, that money is adjusted. Plus you get all the 75 Pan India Speaker Conference, which you get as a complimentary offer. So that is in a nutshell. It was 35. I guess we have touched around 40 plus seats already. All right. Not only that, we are introducing for the first time an indicator called as TradingView Master Pro. All these various indicators are inbuilt in TradingView. You will have direct access to TradingView as well as AmiBroker. You get both of them. To know more about this program, log into www.i3t3.in. For people who don't know what I3T3 stands for, it means Independent Intelligent Investor and Technical Turtle Trader. If you guys have any questions, I'll be more than happy to take it. And that is Rashmi, my webinar manager. You can buzz her in Telegram or on her cell phone that is being displayed. If you have any more questions on technical side beyond, here is my mobile number. You can always WhatsApp me. I will respond to you at an appropriate time, and that's my Telegram ID also. If you have any questions, you can WhatsApp us, you can Telegram us, you can even call us. So we will talk to you and clarify your queries. Okay. I hope every one of you enjoyed the conversation today. We will come back with lot more interesting topics in